In this video, you will learn a quick way to add a line in resume. So how you can do that? Let's get started. So in the first method, go to the insert and click on the shapes. Pick the straight lines and now press shift and drag the mouse to the right side. You will see that a thin line is appeared. You can also increase the length of the line by left or right to drag the mouse. Now right click on the dot of the line and go to the format shape, and here select the solid line. Pick the color of your choice. I'm selecting red one. You can increase the width as per your need, increase the transparency as per your requirement, and you can explore the more option in the right window pane. In the second method, type hyphen 3 times and hit enter, and here you can see a thin line is appeared. In the third method, type 3 times underscores by pressing shift key and hit enter, and here you can see a bold line is appeared. In the fourth method, type 3 equal signs and hit enter, and here is the double line draw in the MS Word document. And in the fifth method, you need to press the shift key and press star 3 times and hit enter. Here is the dotted line draw in the Word document. And in this last method, press the shift key and type #3 times and hit enter, and here is the beautiful 3-line border line added in the resume. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.